Hey, what's up you guys? It's Maddie. Welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Today we are making the viral trend of the bikini box. I'm going to take you through painting mine, stenciling it, writing on it, creating it, all the way to the finished process. Put on aquamarine, H2O, just add water, get yourself in a summery mood, and let's get into the actual DIY.
Good afternoon. Okay, so what we're gonna do this afternoon is paint a bikini box. I've been seeing these go viral on TikTok and I had to have one for myself. I went to Michael's, the craft store. I got a few very summery, beachy colors. I got some little paint thing trays because I don't have any, and then I got this box. It is smaller than the ones on TikTok, but I own, I think, like 4 bikinis, 4 swimsuits in total, so I think this is going to be plenty big for my collection. And if I need a bigger box, I'll go get one later. But I just cannot imagine buying that many swimsuits this summer. But if I do, hey, I'll go upgrade. So this is just the small little box. I think it was $12, but I did have a 50% off coupon, so I got it for $6. So we are going to paint this afternoon. I am by no means a very good artist, so here's hoping that it comes out kind of cute, kind of normal. Maybe it'll just look pretty because of the pretty colors. I don't know, or maybe it'll be so ugly that I throw it away. We're gonna try our best though.
Okay, so the first thing I'm doing is just painting each side a different color. There are some people on TikTok that do not paint the wood a solid color and they just paint the designs over it. Totally good if you want to do that. I personally wanted mine to have a ton of color because that just screams summer to me. When you live in New England, sometimes it's gray and dreary and you just want a lot of color. So I chose a pink, a yellow, a blue, and then a green that I tried to make myself and it went poorly, so I had to go buy a new green and I had to redo it, but that's fine. On the first side, I'm painting some palm trees, very summery. Used the stencil, saved my life. It was amazing, even though it was kind of hard. I figured it out. It took some trial and error, but I did figure it out. That's not perfect, but I'm also going to paint Mako Island on here because one of my favorite summery things is H2O. I still watch it. I'm watching it while I paint this and it just really, you know, feels good. Something I would suggest for this project is maybe having an idea of what you want to do. I went in with no ideas and I had to mess up a lot, but a good thing you can do is paint over your mistakes. Sometimes I would not take the effort to do that and it just made me angrier. So if you take the time to paint over your mistakes, it'll look better, you'll get a second go, and it'll just go much smoother. Highly recommend. The second side, I'm just going to be painting a whole bunch of little aquatic themed, nautical themed things. Kind of make a little collage almost. And I'm going to paint them all different colors so they kind of pop.
Sometimes we try to be cool, not being givers, only takers. Stop for a minute, stop and breathe for a minute.
This third side is not my best. I will be honest. I had almost like given up at this point because I was on like day 3 of this. But you know what? You keep going on. I love the yellow color. Could I have made this side better? 100%, but I didn't, and I have to live with that, and that's fine. You do what you have to do. It's fine.
Stop and breathe for a minute. Look it over your head, try to listen instead, won't you? Think for a minute who you wanna be.
And this final side, I really did not know what to do. I didn't have any stencils. I kind of just went for it, and it like kind of came out okay. I'm like kind of okay with the direction it went in, but it could have been better. So maybe if you have more energy, you'll have a more finished product. But my first 2 sides are so good. I'm gonna tell you a few things that I think will make your life much easier if you get them. 1, if you're going to Michael's or Joann's, look for a coupon online so that you can take in store. Usually they have at least a 20% off. I ended up finding a 50% off. Makes all the difference. 2, paint is very cheap. It's like 99 cents. I would just buy the colors you want. I tried to make some colors with the colors I already had, and it didn't work, and I ended up going to buy the colors anyway. Just save yourself the time. Save yourself the effort. Go buy the 99-cent colors. 3rd, buy stencils if you can afford them. I found stencils for about $5 total, again with coupons. Saved me so much frustration. Honestly, I probably would not have finished this DIY without it because I would have just gotten so angry that I couldn't draw as well as other people on TikTok that I would have ruined it. But I found stencils. I used stencils from the get-go, and it just made everything better. So I would highly suggest stencils. 10 out of 10. Those are the 3 tips that I feel like I can give you. That was the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you painted your box along with mine or got some inspiration. I don't know, maybe you're just in a summer mood and you needed a video to fill that void. I hope I could do that. If you enjoyed it, you should give it a thumbs up. Again, subscribe if you're not, and I will see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.